Good morning, dear children. Welcome to EVS class.
In your last class, you have understood that when the plants get rain, they will become very happy. In earth, rain is the main source of water. In this class, we learn about clouds. You have a poem here. Teacher will read the poem for you. Please open page number 61. Clouds. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephants and horses, dogs and fawns. Sometimes they look like a pair of swans. In moments they come, in moments they go. Sometimes they freeze and for weeks they stay. And sometimes they disappear for many a day. Sometimes they pour, sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. And sometimes they hail, pelting the ground, breaking the glass in ringing chimes. In this poem, the poet discusses about the color of clouds. Have you seen the different colors of clouds? White, grey, sometimes black. Have you seen any other colors? But I have seen the other color, that is red. Sometimes when you look at the clouds, their formation look like horses, sometimes dogs, sometimes pair of swan and sometimes fawns. Children, fawns means small deer. Have you noticed in rainy season, especially suddenly clouds come and immediately disappear? So many days it happens. Children, what is the other work of clouds? Sometimes they pour, means precipitate. It means rain, hail, snow. Sometimes they thunder. We can clearly hear the sound of thundering, very loud voice of clouds. Then we are able to listen sometimes. Children, what is thundering? When two clouds collides with each other, thunder occur. Sometimes it spreads so many colors through rainbow. How many colors does rainbow have? It is 7 colors. The sky seems very beautiful when it appears. Sometimes you may see hail. Hail means small pieces of ice on the ground. From hail, they sound like ringing chimes. A type of sound they make. Chimes means a melodious ringing sound as produced by striking a bell. The poet saw many types of things in the cloud. Have you ever seen anything in the cloud? Shall we do the activity, children? Heavy rain can cause flood, soil erosion, and landslides, etc. In our previous chapter, we have learned about the good and bad effects of rain. Now, make a paper boat and float it on water. The next activity, have you had any problems during rains? Have you seen anyone else having any problems due to rains? Draw a picture of your experience in the rain. Here one box has given. Here you want to draw when it rains. Some are happy, some are sad. You can draw your experience in the rain and make it beautiful and send all the activities in empty.